Apple's foldable device delay. What's the scoop for investors and tech enthusiasts? For those who closely follow Apple, AAPL, and its ventures in consumer electronics, you'd know that Apple has been earnestly exploring foldable gadgets for quite some time now. One of these devices is reportedly moving forward as planned, but a different model seems to have hit a snag. This news turned out to be beneficial for Apple investors, as the company's share price surged by more than 2% during the final moments of Wednesday's trading session. Don't miss out on TipRank's half-year sale. Seize the opportunity to enjoy TipRank's Premium at a 50% discount. That's a link to sign up for your free strategy/monthly consultation for putting your actions together. This is the hokey toki. Seize the opportunity to enjoy TipRank's Premium at 50% off. Seize the opportunity to enjoy TipRank's smart investor picks and accounting music analytics and supplies and balance data to match your reviews and your next transactions. Ungreat and fortuitous car and fuel for Entetic tabletop too. But given the TipRanks for us is definitely quite small. Let's learn the basics enough to get excited. Seft iontli sak doleki tor nikret sutlivit. Nikraki ek konig imachkidak. Taksrokas mohaiki idesima belaunik. Kilka alehota grafik tatlekonosit. Adding to the concern, there's large foldable gadgets like the iPad Fold. Both the high production cost and the lower than expected demand have sort of left this project stalled, and it might even be facing cancellation entirely. And this is the real breakthrough moment. On the other hand, reports suggest that the upcoming Apple TV 4K could hit the market exactly when it's needed. Though the Apple TV has had a long tenure, its earliest models even predated the iPhone, it hasn't always been a top pick for consumers. However, the new Apple TV 4K, set to release this autumn, has the potential to become Apple's first mainstream hit in home entertainment. Boasting an affordable price of just $129, the new Apple TV 4K enters a bustling market where most TVs function as independent streaming hubs. Yet two key factors could work in Apple's favor: the growing success of Apple TV Plus and the increasing frustration among viewers with excessive ads. As competing platforms push more ads on viewers, the demand for a cleaner, less cluttered streaming experience may lead them to prefer Apple TV. So, what's your take on Apple's current strategy? Buy, hold, or sell? Wall Street analysts suggest a moderate buy recommendation on DAPL shares, reflecting 15 buys, 10 holds, and 3 sells over the past 3 months, as shown in the infographic below, after experiencing a 6.2% decline in its stock value over the past year. The average target price of $224.22 per share suggests a potential 5.49% increase. Are you planning to invest in Apple? Or do you think the risks outweigh the rewards? Share your thoughts and let's start a conversation on what you think Apple's next big move should be.